In this video, we are comparing two of the biggest names in website building, Wix and Webflow. Which one is right for you? Let's find out. Let's start with Wix. Wix is a website builder known for being super easy to use. Think of it like using building blocks. You can drag and drop text, images, and videos exactly where you want them on your page. It's designed for people who have never built a website before. Wix offers a huge number of ready-made templates. You just pick one you like and start adding your own stuff. Want to start a blog, an online store, or a website for your restaurant? Wix has features for all of that. You don't need to know any code at all. This makes it very fast to get a website up and running. But is it powerful enough for everyone? Let's take a look at what makes Wix stand out. Wix's drag and drop editor is its most famous feature. It is very easy and fun to use. You can click on any elements on your page, like a picture or a text box, and move it anywhere. You are not stuck in a fixed layout. This gives you total creative control over your website's design. Imagine you want to put your logo in a very specific corner of the page. With Wix, you can just drag it there. You can also easily resize elements by pulling on their corners. This feature is great for beginners because you don't need to know any code. What you see on the screen is exactly what your visitors will see. This makes designing for your website a very visual and hands-on experience. Are you short on time or feeling a bit lost on design? Wix ADI is here to help. This is a super smart tool that builds a website for you. All you have to do is answer a few simple questions about your business or project. You'll tell it what your website is for, what features you need, and the style you like. Then, like magic, Wix ADI creates a unique website just for you. It picks out images, writes some text, and puts everything together in a beautiful layout. Of course, you can still make changes after it's done. You can edit the colors, fonts, and anything else you want. It's the fastest way to get a professional-looking website up and running. The Wix app market is like a treasure chest for your website. It has over 300 apps that you can add to your site to make it do more things. Do you want to sell things online? There's an app for that. Need to let people book appointments with you? There's an app for that too. You can find apps for blogging, social media, contact forms, and so much more. Many of these apps are free to use. Some have extra features that you can pay for if you need them. Adding an app is as simple as clicking a button. This makes it really easy to add powerful features to your website without needing to be a tech expert. Wix has a plan for everyone. They even have a free plan. The free plan is good for trying things out, but it has Wix ads on it. If you want to look more professional, you'll want a paid plan. The Lite plan is great for personal websites and costs around $17 a month. If you want to sell online, you will need the core plan, which is about $29 a month. For businesses that are growing, the business plan at around $36 a month offers more tools. And for big businesses, the Business Elite plan has everything you could need. Remember, you save money if you pay for a full year at once. Wix is perfect for people who want total creative freedom. If you have a very specific design in mind, Wix will let you build it. It's also great for beginners because it's so easy to use. Small business owners, artists, photographers, and bloggers will all find Wix very helpful. If you want a lot of features and the ability to add more with apps, Wix is a fantastic choice. Now, let's switch to Webflow. Webflow is a newer website builder that is getting very popular. It is a visual website builder. This means you design your website by dragging and dropping elements. You can see the changes you make in real time. It's like designing in a program like Photoshop, but for websites. Webflow is a hosted platform. This means you don't have to worry about buying hosting separately. They take care of it for you. This makes it easier to get started, especially for beginners. Webflow is known for giving you a lot of design freedom. You can create very unique and custom-looking websites without writing any code. But just how powerful is it? Let's dive into the top features of Webflow. First is the Visual Designer. This is the heart of Webflow. It lets you build your website visually. You can drag and drop elements like text, images, and buttons into a canvas. You can then style them exactly how you want it. You can change colors, fonts, sizes, and more. This gives you pixel-perfect control over your design. For designers, this is a dream come true. You can create complex layouts and animations without writing any code. It's a very powerful tool that lets you bring your creativity into life. You can see exactly what your website will look like as you build it. Next up is the high-quality hosting. Webflow provides hosting for your website, and their hosting is very fast and reliable. This is very important for a good user experience. A slow website can make visitors leave. Webflow uses a global network of servers. This means your website will load quickly for visitors from all over the world. They also take care of security for you. You don't have to worry about updates or getting hacked. This is a big advantage if you don't want to manage the technical side of your website. It's like having a team of experts keeping your website safe and fast. Another feature is the powerful CMS. Webflow has a content management system. This lets you and your clients easily update the website's content. You can create collections of content like blog posts, team members, or projects. The editor is very user-friendly. You can edit content right on the live website. This makes it very easy for non-technical people to manage the site. You can also create custom fields for your content. This gives you a lot of flexibility in how you organize and display your content. It's a very modern and powerful CMS that is a pleasure to use. Finally, Webflow is great for e-commerce. If you want to sell products online, Webflow has you covered. It has built-in e-commerce features. You can add products, manage inventory, and take payments. You can customize the design of your online store to match your brand. It supports popular payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. This makes it easy to start selling online. The e-commerce features are well integrated into the platform. This means you get the same design freedom for your online store as you do for the rest of your website. It's a great all-in-one solution for selling online. Now, what about the price of Webflow? Webflow has a free plan that lets you build a website and publish it on a webflow.io subdomain. This is great for learning the platform. For a custom domain, you will need a paid plan. Site plans start at around $14 per month, billed yearly. If you need the CMS, the plans start at around $23 per month. E-commerce plans are more expensive, starting at around $29 per month. These prices include hosting, so you don't have to pay for that separately. While the starting price is higher compared to others, it's an all-in-one package. You get the builder, hosting, and support in one place. So, who should use Webflow? Webflow is perfect for designers and creative professionals. If you want complete control over the design of your website, you will love Webflow. It's all about great choice for businesses that want a professional and custom-looking website. If you don't want to worry about hosting, security, and updates, Webflow is a good option. It's for people who are willing to pay a bit more for a high-quality, all-in-one solution. However, it might be a bit much for a simple personal blog. And while it has CMS, it's not as focused on blogging as other platforms. So, Wix is the easy-to-use option for beginners and small businesses who want to get online fast. Webflow is the powerful tool for designers and those who want complete creative freedom. The best choice depends on your skills and your goals. I hope this video helped you understand the difference between Wix and Webflow. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.